In a blur of scales and fury, the anaconda claims its prize, nature's trap sprung perfectly. Terror propels the capybaras into flight, their only hope in the speed of water and family unity. Caiman and otter clash in a whirl of teeth and fury, each fighting for supremacy in their shared realm. At the last oasis, friend and foe converge, the drought forging uneasy alliances born of desperation. From the skies, the harpy descends like thunder, its talons sealing a monkey's fate in an instant.
Victory secured, the jaguar retreats with its prize, the jungle's balance tipping in favor of the hunter. In numbers, peccaries turn the tide, their charge a wall of fury against a solitary foe. The caiman's infamous roll tears life apart, a whirlwind of power in the river's depths.
In crisis, monkeys link tails and vines, their ingenuity turning disaster into daring escape. Dark clouds mass, promising relief or ruin, as the Amazon braces for nature's furious renewal. In the heart of the Amazon, a vast rainforest teems with life, where every dawn brings new stories of survival.
Beneath the canopy, flooded forests hide secrets, where the line between safety and peril blurs in the morning haze.
In the understory, every leaf tells a story of resilience, where dew signals the promise of another humid day. High above, macaws claim the skies, their colors a vivid reminder of the Amazon's boundless diversity and energy. At the river's forgotten bends, quiet lakes hold their breath, awaiting the day's first hunters and hunted. The mighty Amazon River pulses with life, its banks a gathering place for ancient guardians of the wild. Ancient trees stand as pillars of the jungle, their roots weaving the foundation of an intricate web of life. In still pools, the worlds above and below converge, a fragile harmony in the Amazon's watery realms. Up in the canopy highways, howler monkeys broadcast their presence, echoing through the timeless jungle. Tiny jewels like the morpho butterfly add flashes of color, reminders of beauty amid the wild's intensity. On exposed sandbars, capybaras gather, their vigilance a constant in this unpredictable watery world. Beneath the surface, piranhas wait patiently, their numbers a deadly force in the river's hidden currents.
The tapir moves with quiet determination, navigating the flooded paths where danger lurks unseen. Peccaries scour the forest floor, driven by hunger in a land where every meal is hard won.
With keen eyes and agile grace, spider monkeys navigate their treetop world, ever alert to threats. Along the river, egrets raise their young, a tender scene in the midst of nature's relentless cycle. Giant otters frolic with boundless energy, teaching the young the ways of their aquatic domain. As waters recede, arapaima gasp for survival, their mighty leaps a fight against the encroaching dry. Capuchins strengthen ties through grooming, a vital ritual that fortifies their community against isolation. Capuchins strengthen ties through grooming, a vital ritual that fortifies their community against isolation. The elusive ocelot emerges, its spotted coat blending seamlessly with the jungle's shadowed edges. From on high, the harpy eagle reigns, its talons ready for the monkeys that venture too far below. As mist clears and light strengthens, the Amazon stirs to life, setting the stage for the day's dramas. In the shadow of giants, a jaguar cub learns the ways of the wild, under its mother's watchful gaze. The anaconda lurks unseen, its ancient gaze fixed on the unwary, master of the watery ambush.
As waters dwindle, the black caiman stirs, driven by thirst to claim what little remains in the parched land.
Beneath the innocent sip of a capybara, piranhas gather, their frenzy poised to shatter the peace. The harpy eagle takes to the air, its domain the treetops where smaller lives hang in precarious balance. Capybaras band together, the mother's care a shield against the growing shadows of scarcity. The tapir browses quietly, its massive form a gentle force shaping the forest's verdant floor. For monkeys, the forest floor is a perilous bridge, where every step tests the bonds of the troop. Trapped in dwindling waters, fish leap for life, drawing predators to this arena of inevitable conflict.
The jaguar moves with lethal precision, closing the distance to its unsuspecting quarry in the shallows. Piranhas descend in a silver storm, turning injury to feast in the water's merciless arena. Otters use wit and water to outmaneuver the caiman, their family bond their greatest weapon.
The anaconda vanishes into green, its form a perfect echo of the jungle's deceptive embrace. Apex meets apex in silent challenge, where only one can rule the vital waters between them.
Instinct screams warning, birds explode from perches, desperate to evade the eagle's deadly shadow.
In a heartbeat's grace, the capybara plunges safe, leaving the ocelot to ponder the water's cruel trick.